Tired of paying for Revolut Premium when you're barely using those fancy perks? Let's ditch that subscription. First, open your Revolut app. Make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. It might have your initials or a profile picture. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find your plan and tap on it. Alright, you're now looking at your premium plan details. Scroll all the way down. Keep going to Euro. Why Euro until you see the cancel button. It's usually at the very bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap that. Revolut will now ask you to confirm your cancellation. They might try to offer you a discount or ask for a reason. Choose a reason if you want, then follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message that your premium plan has been canceled. Double-check to make sure your plan has actually been downgraded in the account settings, and you are done. Congratulations, you've successfully canceled your Revolut Premium plan. Now you can save that money for something else.